Dear you. Today, I want to talk to you about two fundamental principles that are crucial on the path to success: action and patience. These two elements are like the two wings of a bird, working in harmony to help you soar to new heights in your life. First, let's discuss action. Success doesn't come to those who wait for opportunities to knock on their doors. It comes to those who actively seek and create opportunities. Action is the driving force that propels us forward, taking our dreams from mere thoughts to tangible realities. Every great achievement in history began with a single step, a decision to take action, to leap into the unknown. It's through action that we learn, grow, and build the momentum necessary to reach our goals. But here's the catch. While action is essential, it's not a magic wand that instantly brings success. That's where patience comes in. Patience is the unwavering belief in the process, even when the results seem slow to manifest. It's understanding that the road to success is often filled with setbacks and challenges. Patience is what keeps us going when the going gets tough. It's what prevents us from giving up prematurely and missing out on the rewards that come to those who persevere. Think about the great achievements of history. They were not accomplished overnight. Thomas Edison didn't invent the light bulb on his first try. Steve Jobs faced numerous failures and setbacks before revolutionizing the tech industry. These visionaries had patience to complement their action, and that's what made all the difference. So, how do we balance action and patience in our pursuit of success? It's about setting clear goals and taking consistent, deliberate steps towards them. It's about adapting and learning from failures, knowing that they are stepping stones on your journey. It's about believing in yourself and your dreams, even when others doubt you. And it's about understanding that success is a marathon, not a sprint. In conclusion, remember that action and patience are the dynamic duo that will guide you to your dreams. Embrace action to get the ball rolling, and nurture patience to keep it rolling. With unwavering determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, go out there, take action, be patient, and let success be the result of your relentless efforts. The world is waiting for your greatness to shine. Thank you.